everyone. Today we are going to make something without which all birthday parties are incomplete. So, guess what? Yes, it's a cake. Let's make Mickey Mouse birthday cake for kids. So, the base will be blueberry cake with whipped cream and fondant on top for making Mickey Mouse. First, let's see what are the ingredients required. I'm starting with 3 eggs to be beaten till it is airy and light. So it is done. Now add vanilla essence so that you don't get egg smell while eating the cake. I'm adding all dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, a pinch of salt. Beat it till it all get mixed. After that, add water and beat it in low mode. Then add oil and beat it till it is properly mixed and you can see ribbon-like consistency. Now take your cake mold and grease it with oil or butter. Pour batter and see this is ribbon-like structure and tap mold. I have already set the temperature, preheat 180 degree and set the timing for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, cake is ready. Don't get scared, this is normal to get top layer burnt in convection microwave and these crack shows cake is cooked. Remove top layer with knife and I show you this cake is soft. With the help of cake cutter, I will make 3 layers. And remove some side parts if you feel it is hard. In a bowl, I have taken whipped cream and beat it till it double in sizes. It will take some time, around 10 to 15 minutes. First do it in low mode, then high mode and then again low, and you can check with spoon it should be a little firm. To make a blueberry flavor, add 2-3 spoon flavor with whipped cream. Apply some whipped cream to base and now we will set each layer. With the help of brush, apply sugar syrup all over the cake. Apply whipped cream in circular manner or you can use piping bag filled with whipped cream and make uniform layer. We are going to repeat this process for second and third layer also. It is easy to do but you need to practice to make perfect edges. Anyways, if you are not able to do, don't worry. We will have to use fondant on this. Fondant you can easily get from online store. Roll it. Before that apply some corn powder. You need to roll till you understand when it is enough to cover your cake. Or apply concept of diameter or radius of a circle. Anyways, that I am not gonna teach here. As you see, my cake is fully covered and its sides part has been removed with the help of knife or cutter. Now next is black fondant. I'm rolling it to make its thin layer and will cut it into Mickey Mouse face shape. If you have Mickey Mouse shape cutter, then your work is easy. Same you do to make 5 small size Mickey Mouse face and apply on the sides of the cake. Now I'm rolling white or skin color fondant and design it to make another face shape. So this is the way you have to arrange it, and keep in mind that you have to cut eyes, mouth and nose shape from black and white fondant. It's all skill. To make it more attractive, I have used yellow and blue fondant, rolled it and cut it into round shape and place it on the cake. See your ultimate result. I hope you like it and do try for your kids.